Hello, I hope you're doing well. So I have made this as test space. In this page, there is a folder named as all clients. You have to go here. I have added few to our development, 175 for properties and TECS. Okay. Now, if you see here, all of the assignees are there. Okay. Or for all the tasks, ME is there. And then these are the monthly tasks. This is non-recurring task and these three are the recurring tasks. Okay. If I change the status to like approval needed, what it will do is automation will run and it will change the assignee. See, it changed. If I change back to do or anything, it will again change the status to ME, assignee, sorry. Now it has priority documents. You can upload file attached from Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, whatever you want to. And for this specific task, you can have the documents here. Then this is the formula, like invoice amount, some custom fields that I have added. Then amount paid, for example, you got 500 and this is the pending balance, so it will automatically change. This is a formula field. Then payment date and payment method is also there, payment stage and payment terms. You can change any of this, like if you want to add another method or whatever, you can right click on it, go to edit field, and then you can either add option from here, you can delete any, you can change color from here, or you can just change the name of anyone. Okay. Now the other thing is like when you change the status to completed, for example this prepare draw, I change the status completed, it will again appear with a new date of 1 month later. Okay. So similarly here, if you go, you see this one, if I change the status back to approval needed, it will again change the assignee. Here it was on final approval needed, I think. Yes, it was on final approval needed. Here for the approval needed, the automation needed was for Mike, but that didn't work. And the reason I will explain you, because when we add any automation by adding Mike, he isn't. Let's suppose approval needed. I change it to Mike, and we get this error because I think he might not be on ClickUp right now, or he hasn't accepted the invite. So ask him to accept the invite, and then you might possibly ClickUp has sent you automated emails. It is in their settings. Like when you are assigned, ClickUp sends you an email. If they are not sending you an email, or you want to send a customized email, please let me know and I will work on that. Okay. Then I have set the template as well. For example, you will click on this, go to template, and do a every template. You can, for example, click on this and it will create a new list. And in that list, if you see, again all the tasks are there. Okay. And they are recurring tasks. Now the thing that you need to remember is like, as we are adding some of the members as guest, the guest members can't be added automatically. For adding the members here automatically, you have to add them as the regular member in the space. For example, I will create another template from here. Let's click on this template and I will create the template from to our ME template. Click on this, and now you see here in this one, your ME template, the assignee is automatically there. Okay. So this is the thing that depends on you. When you can create any template, you can save any template, or you and you can create the list from that template. Now if you want to add any other task, you will simply click here, for example test task, and you will assign it to anyone. Okay, so what you need to do is like you have to just test this. And why I didn't keep all of them in one space, yeah, so you see here prepared draw, it now appeared with the March 6. First it was Feb 6, so due date changed automatically. Now the other thing is like if you say like why I haven't created all of them in one list, the reason is that because you want some of them to be automatically assigned to Amy and someone to the Abby. In that case that can't be in the same list, because in the same list automation works in the same way. I hope it makes sense. Please just have a look at it, and if you have any questions let me know, and I will make sure that your questions are answered, and any of the changes suggestions are made. Thank you.